Okay, hi, I'm John Fritter with ECE 441 Senior Design. This video is to verify the testing for all the interfaces for the single board computer block. The first step is to set up the Tinker board and connect the USB keyboard and mouse. I've also already connected via HDMI cable a monitor, and I have leads going from the GPIO pins. Only one of these is plugged into the power supply right now. So to start off with, I'm going to turn the power supply on. I'm using the right channel here. Make sure it's set to 5 volts exactly. And then I'm going to connect the other lead. And you can see the light come on, and this should boot to a GUI desktop here in a second. That green light will start flashing, and then I'll hit the button on the monitor to scan the input. Okay, and you can see it's starting to boot. In order to pass the test, it needs to boot successfully to a GUI desktop, and you can see there that it has. Okay, so the next step is to open up LX Terminal. I'm going to verify some settings of the Tinker board. So this is the terminal, and type in the command ls CPU grep megahertz, and it shows that the CPU max megahertz is 1800. That's the number that it's supposed to be for the test pass condition. The next step, I'll type in the command uname-r, and it needs to display a Linux version number, kernel version number, and that shows that this is running Linux kernel 4.4.71. So that test pass condition, it just needs to be a Linux kernel version number, so that passes. Okay, for the next step, I'm going to take this USB webcam and plug it in to one of these USB ports here. And next, I'm going to open the VLC program. And when I select to open a capture device, on the video device name, it shows dev video 0, which means that it's showing up as a video device. So the test pass condition that it appears as a selectable option is successful. When I play the video, or the capture device, you can see images here. And this is the webcam. I'm pointing it at the Tinker board, at the monitor, all around. And we can see that it is successfully displaying images from the webcam by inspection. For the next step, I'm going to select here the codec information. This shows the information about the video capture. You can see the display resolution is 752 by 416. It only needs to be greater than 320 by 240 to pass this test, so that is successful. And the frame rate is 24. That is the minimum to be successful for this test pass condition. Okay, next I'm going to close this stuff, and I'll test our Bluetooth version. So I'm going to type in the command HCI config-A. We can see our HCI version number here. It's the third to last line, and it is 4.0, reference number 0x6. That is greater than 2.1, which was the minimum for the test pass condition, so that's successful. Okay, slight hiccup there. So I'm going back to test step 14. So I'm going to open the Bluetooth app. I'm going to make the device discoverable. When I open the Bluetooth settings on my phone, it shows the Lenaro ALIP, that's the Tinker board device there. I'm going to select that to pair with it. And we can see the pairing request here pops up on the, and it shows the name of my phone. So So I confirm that. Press the pair on my phone. And wants to use an audio thing, but it's showing connected on my phone, and yeah, that meets the test pass condition. Okay, and so for the next step, I need to keep the app open on my phone. It shows that it's connected to the Bluetooth device, and then we're gonna walk 15 feet away. So just kind of estimate that. We're out in the hallway here. This is probably 15 feet, right, at least? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and so you can see there it still shows connected. It never dropped the connection. So that test pass condition is still successful. All right, and the final part of the test is, for this, we're gonna disconnect the power supply. And we're gonna turn the voltage down to 4.8. Just like that. And we're gonna reconnect it. And now we'll check that the device boots up to the GUI desktop successfully. Looking good. And there's our desktop. And for the very last step, disconnect the power supply again. And turn the voltage up to 5.2 volts. And reconnect it. And that looks good. There's the GUI desktop again. And that's the final test pass condition, which is successful.